Hey, yo. So apparently the Cubans have arrived in Italy to try and save them from their own demise due to this coronavirus pandemic. Let's talk about it, man. T King Fight News. All right, so as you can see, the Cubans have arrived. The Cubans have arrived. My goodness, yo. And you know what's so interesting about this? Italy has passed China in terms of number of deaths from coronavirus on paper. On paper, right? That's according to reports out of the CDC, and Italy has been hit the hardest, apparently, and China is now recovering from the situation, and Italy is in a real bad way right now, over almost approaching 5,000 deaths. And by the way, Cuba, only 16 cases in Cuba and one death. So someone's doing a great job over there. Cuban doctors have arrived in Italy to do something about it. All right, important notes that are happening in the world according to this coronavirus situation report highlights 4 new countries, territories, areas from the African region have reported cases of COVID-19. As the case continues to increase, many countries are requesting individuals stay home self-quarantine, right? There has been a rise in criminals disguising themselves as World Health Organization to steal money or sensitive information. WHO urges individuals to stay alert and to verify the authenticity of requests. So as we can see here, greater 10,000 to 30,000 and greater than 30,000. Look at this shit, man. Europe is fucked, guys. What is going on in Europe? Meanwhile, China, confirmed cases, 81,000. Let's take a look at Italy. Out of 53,000 cases, 4,800 deaths. Total deaths. Total new deaths. This is an all-time high. 800 deaths. Literally in a day. Local transmission. Spain is the next highest, followed by Germany. But oddly enough, Germany has, look at the difference here. Germany has 21,500 cases. Only 67 deaths. Whereas Spain has nearly 25,000 cases, but 1,326 deaths. That's more. That's a much higher percentage of deaths. Much higher. Anyways, take a look at Cuba for a second. I'm surprised with India's numbers. Only 283 cases and 4 deaths. That's really good for India. That's Iran. Iran's another one. 20,600 cases, 1,556 deaths. But Cuba, 16 cases, 1 death. What do you guys think, man? It's King Fight News.